First of all, I wanted to go over a few things that won't be in this unboxing video. Shannon was really eager for me and excited for me to unbox a shipment that came from Amazon. Like I said, it's low rent productions around here, but we're working with what we got, people, and we're always trying to upgrade. And Shannon's making sure of that. It came with this soft Boxlight. It has a tripod, a little carrying case for when you don't want to use it, but I probably won't be using that because I'm always going to be filming, hopefully, for you guys. It's Ralano, I think that's how you pronounce it, but I'm probably wrong as usual. You open this up, you put your light in it, keeps it open, then you put this white little sheet on the outer edges, and that gives you that soft light effect. That's why it's called a soft box, I guess. I'm no genius, and I'm really excited about this new backdrop. It matches the Blue Rose Bath & Body perfectly. Our color scheme, it's better than this dingy gray sheet I've been utilizing. What we didn't buy was this new unused ring light that our sister graciously gave to us. So we appreciate that. It saved us some money. Thank you, sis.
We're not worthy! We're not worthy!
Also, not related to filming, where these assortment of 22 stainless spoons and scrapers and levelers or whatnot for some cosmetics to come down the pike in the future. We're eager, we're excited about that. Also some glass stirrers, which were really well protected. As you can see, I appreciate that. Here's one I pulled out. It works well with these assortment of, I think there's 5 of them, well protected as well. This glass beakers, that's what they are. Also for cosmetics, you gotta be very precise when you're making those. And we're excited about bringing those to you in the future. Just wanted to go over all that was inside that big box from Amazon. We will link everything in the comments below. If you wanna get your hands on any of these fine products, you can do that. And now we will get to the unboxing. Hi everybody, it's Mark here at the Blue Rose Bath & Body. It's late. I indeed wear my sunglasses at night. And I have a lot of boxes that have been delivered. Shannon's been very busy. Of course she has, you know her. But I need the space and I need to do some work. So I thought I'd do a real quick unboxing for you yet again. So let's get right into it. This came in that previous box I just talked about, the Amazon big shipment. It is a pH tester. If you're going to be working with precise calculations and formulas that could turn acidic on you, I guess you would say, you want to be sure you're checking the pH. That's very important. And you want to have it within the correct parameters. And this one is the pH 20 Apira Instruments. Also, our SC Soap Cutter 2000 Cyberdyne Systems, the Soapinator cutter that we got from Nurture Soap. I had a bad day the other day and it broke a couple of strings. Basically, they say there are 10 wires per pack here. Soap cutter wires are basically guitar strings that they're shortened to fit those parameters. And I got a couple packs of those, and Shannon was like, open those immediately. So just in case we break another one, you never know. But Julie packaged it for Nurture Soap, and they always send these little cards. It says, I don't always answer my door, but when I do, it is because my soaping supplies have arrived. And that is very true of me, definitely. Here he is, you know, that famous guy right there. That's funny. See, she always signs it. Her or Lori typically, they do our packages. Speaking of Nurture Soap, we got one right here. And where did my box cutter go? Oh, here it is. Let me grab that for you. All right. Nurture Soap. Great company, guys. Really love them. Let's see what we got here. This is more Persephone's Kiss. For Valentine's, we really love that. Oh, it's Julie again. Your order was backed by Julie. All my unfinished craft projects. Me. New craft project. This dude's checking out a hot girl, and his girlfriend or his wife is PO'd at him. See if you can see that. That's funny. I like that. He's like, well, mama. And she's like, what? What? I make soap too. Come on now, give me some love. Oh, God. That's just the kind of stuff that brightens your day, you know? Persephone's Kiss. I've already smelled that. We had the little sample. We wanted to try it out, and word of mouth is correct. It's very good fragrance for Valentine's Day. We love it. Crinkle paper, we'll save that. I'll save my little cards. What we thought we were going to do is just collect these and make a big poster out of all of them and show you later on, maybe in a TikTok or a short or something. That'd be kind of cool, I think. Something creative I can do with those cards, because we do keep them and we get a good laugh out of that. Now, let's see where Lotion Crafters. Okay, the word got out on me. You see this? Do not use blades to open. They've been watching my unboxing videos, and they were afraid I was going to use the Crocodile Dundee knife that I named Chuck Norris because the mere sight of it makes box open themselves. But, yeah, the word got out on me, and they said no for that. And I know why, because there's xanthan gum salt powder in here. And we'll be using that. There's a packing slip. And there's some other xanthan gums we use for other products. It's just depending on what you're making, you want to use the right xanthan gum. So always be sure you're using the correct form of xanthan gum. Alright, that's enough said on that. Moving on. Let's see what we got here. It doesn't say who it is. So let's just open her and find out, shall we? Always cut away from me. I have a tendency to cut towards me, and that's why I have my accidents. Let's see here. We appreciate your business as a bronze level customer. We're stepping up in the world, people. Fish don't fry in the kitchen. Beans don't burn on the grill. All right. Wholesale Supplies Plus. Nice packing slip. More bubble wrap. Always save this, guys. Let's see. Put that back in there. I'll do that ASMR for you. Yeah. They put it in the little egg carton and electrical tape. They're securing it. Well, I don't need tape. I found a little end piece. I like that they protect, you know, especially glass bottles. This is vanilla caramel coffee, natural fragrance oil. 1076, looks like. And they did also tape. Here. A little ASMR extra for you, a little bonus. Tape the top, which I appreciate, because it doesn't have a seal. You see? Just smell this. I definitely got that hit of coffee right off the bat. Yeah, that's good. It's a little caramel. It's definitely what it said, vanilla caramel coffee. I got the caramel, the coffee, the vanilla, very faint. So maybe the longer that has to breathe, it'll smell a little bit better. But, yeah, move this out of the way. Moving on. Kind of feel like the Terminator with these shades on.
All right, listen. The Terminator's an infiltration unit. Part man, part machine. Pay attention! These are new. They look human. Sweat, bad breath, everything. Very hard to spot.
But, like I said, I'm going with the theme here, people. All right, we got LoneStar up next. They got the packing slip on the outside here. Let's see. Got some glass flat lids, Liberty status jars, 8 ounce of some rose petal scent. Be interesting. Get a whiff of that. I don't know if we have a rose scent, but I don't think we ever had rose petals. Oh, that's a little heavy on me. Oh, and they're not taped, so I gotta be careful. I'll show you that in a minute, what they did here. Alright, see here? Paper, but the rose petals was just sitting in there. Okay? So that's a little sketchy there. And then another thing that they did is, here, They didn't tape this. They just kind of, you know how you fold a box? See, it just comes right open. But they were kind of wedged in tight, so I don't think that mattered. Looks like we're going to be doing some more. I know why they did this. Because they didn't ship these in a separate box. The last order we got, if you recall, they had all these lids in one little box, 2 of them. So what they did, instead of shipping these separate, they put the jars down there and put the tops on them. I'll show you. See that? They just set them down in there and put the tops on them. Now, that's fine. It held together. You know how they did this box. But like that, you know, it's easy to just close the box like that. I would have rather them tape it so it'd be more secure. And here's another exact same thing. Yeah, that little jar lid's kind of loose there. No big deal. Just I'm a nitpickler. Nitpicker. Pickler. A nitpickler. Is that like Kelly Pickler? Shout out there, Kelly Pickler. We love you, girl.
It's his accent. I don't understand what he said.
Well, likewise.
That's a mutual feeling.
I don't have an accent.
No. You do, Kelly.
Breakdown.
We both have a problem here, okay?
I'd like to vote for Kelly.
Pig Pickler. All right, you can tell I watched American Idol in the past. Rose petals. We've had used it looks very familiar. We had used this. I like that it had a seal on it. There was no plastic tape. Oh yeah, that is a very, let me just get that off. Go ahead and get that off, because we will be using that in the near future. That is a very pleasant scent. If you're looking for a good rose scent, that is the one to pick. Rose petals from LoneStar. All right, let's move on to this final box here. It's a continuation, I assume. I don't see a packing slip on the outside here, unless I'm blind. Oh, there's one inside. There's nothing to worry about, people. It's right here. Looks like we got enhanced soy container. We needed some more soy candle wax. This is the good stuff, people. This is the good stuff. Yeah, 10 pounds of that. Just stick that right back in the box, and we'll save that for later. I wanted to point out, I do like how they zip tie the bag to keep it tight. That's a great idea. Some you just put a knot in it, but they can tear. So I do appreciate them for that. I'm still getting that rose in the air. It's a very great scent. All right, that wraps it up. I wanted to be quick. I hope I condensed it down for you, and just because I need to get this out of the way, I need to get soaping. Always be creating, always be soaping. Have fun with it. Be kind. You know, it doesn't take much to smile. It doesn't cost anything, and it's nice to smile. Be nice to others. Kindness, people. That's what it's all about. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe, follow us. As always, ring our bell. And I just wanted to thank everyone for the past year. We've had a great time, fun time coming up with and creating all the great products. This is almost the first of the year when I'm making this video. We will be having some Valentine's Day soaps coming soon, so I want you to stay tuned for those. And remember, I'll be back.
It can't be bargained with. It can't be reasoned with. It doesn't feel pity or remorse or fear. And it absolutely will not stop. Ever. Until you are dead.
Bye, guys.
I'll be back.